I'm so excited to take you through how to set up a budget for the holidays this year. Let's go. Now, in order to use the budgeting tool, you will have to be on Maple Plus. I set up a Christmas folder. There you can see it, Christmas 2023. It's bright red, and I'm going to tap into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is go down to add a tool, the button on the very bottom. Tap that and add your expense sheet. There it is, plus. I'm going to call it Kids Gifts. This is a budget tracker for my kids' presents, and this is how to use it. Go to options in the upper right-hand corner, and I want to show a budget and balance. So I'm going to tap that so that I can see how much I've spent against how much I have and how much is left over. The first thing I'm going to do is add my actual budget. So we said we would spend $500 this year. I'm going to hit done. There you go. I have $500, although I do not because I've already started buying stuff. So the first thing that we got was a Nerf target. It was $25. And I add it like that, and as you can see, it automatically deducts the $25 from my total budget. My balance is $475, and you and your partner, or you solo, or friends, or grandma, or whoever you're working with can go in and just start adding the gifts that you bought, the amount, and then it'll start deducting from your overall budget so that you can see the balance. It's super, super easy. If you want to edit anything, all you have to do is tap into that field. You can delete, start over, add, subtract. Super, super simple. I hope that's helpful for you this holiday season on staying on budget, and I hope you have happy holidays. Thanks, everybody. Bye.